Everyone, please sit up straight on your mat. Now close your eyes. Now take any mudra that you prefer for yourself. Take a deep breath in and then long exhale out. Inhale and then exhale. Now we will chant 3 times Om together with the next inhalation. Take a deep breath in. Now Mahamrityu Jai Mantra all together. Inhale. Triambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukmeva vandana mrityo mokshiyamamrita. Now one time Om, 3 times Shanti together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now join your hands together in front of your heart center. Now bow your head down. Pray to the God for today's practice, for today's energy. Now open your eyes while blinking. Namaste to everyone. Okay, let's begin with the lateral bending, then we'll go further into the warm-up of our whole body. Now as you inhale, stretch your arms up over the head. Take your hands high, rotate your arms outward. And then exhale, lateral bend to the right side. Lower your right hand on the floor. Reach your left hand up over the ear. Look at your palm. Inhale, again come back to the center. Stretch your arms. And then exhale on the other side. Left hand on the floor. Right arm up over the ear. Keep stretching. Inhale, again come back to the center. And then exhale, grab your left knee with your right hand. Again lateral bend to the right side. Stretch and twist your spine with every exhalation. While inhaling, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist it even more further out. Feel the nice extension on your left side. Inhale, again stretch your arms up over the head. Exhale, now grab your right knee with your left hand. Again lateral bend to the left side. And then look up high to the ceiling with every exhalation. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, again stretch your arms over the head. And then exhale, now we will twist our spine. Grab your left knee with your right hand and take your left hand back on the floor. Inhale, lengthen your spine first. Exhale, twist back. The maximum twisting coming from your navel center. Keep exhaling and twist it back. Inhale again, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale on the other side. Grab your right knee with the left hand back on the floor. Inhale first to lengthen, exhale to twist. And then hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale again, take your arms up over the head. Now right hand drop down on the left side of your head, and then stretch your left hand out to the left side, and keep walking your left hand to the left side, and then push your head to the right side, and feel that stretch on your neck. Maybe you can make a semicircle there. Lift your head up and then lower your head down. Just go slow at your pace. Inhale as you come up high, exhale as you lower your head down. Now with the next inhalation, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale on the other side. Place your left palm on the right side of your head and stretch your right arm out to the right side. Again, feel that nice extension on your right of your neck. And then again, move your head up. Just go slow. And then down. Inhale, reach up high with your head. Exhale, lower your head down. Keep crawling your right hand to the right side. Inhale again, come up high, stretch your arms over the head. And then exhale, press your palms on the floor for the tabletop. Just check out the foundation of your tabletop. Your hands directly underneath your shoulders, feet directly underneath, knees directly underneath your hips. Now as you inhale, roll your shoulders back, lift your head up. Exhale, lower your head down, hump on your back. Push your hip forward. Inhale, again lift your head up, make an arch on your back. Exhale, lower your head down, hump on your back. Inhale, again lift your head up. Then take your right leg back up in the air. Keep tucking your left toes under. Exhale, bring your knee forward towards your head, squeeze in there, push your hips forward. Inhale, again take your right leg back up in the air, make your toes pointed. Exhale, bring your knee forward towards your head, press your palms, tuck your left toes under, come up into the plank. For 3, 2, and 1. Send your right leg back for 3-leg downward facing dog. Exhale, right leg forward between your hands. Now stretch your arms for the high lunge. Now from there, bend your elbows into cactus hand. Rotate your hands outward. Push your chest up towards the ceiling. Keep opening from your thoracic region. Keep pushing your back leg. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands on the floor. Again, send your right leg back for 3-leg downward facing dog. Exhale, release your right leg beside of your left foot, and then pedal out your legs one by one. Bend your one leg at a time. Then again swing forward, drop your knees down for the tabletop, and then lift your head up. Exhale, head down, hump on your back. Inhale, lift your head up, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, again lower your head down, hump on your back. Now send your left leg back up in the air. Look front, look up high. Exhale, bring your knee forward towards your head, squeeze in there. Inhale, again take your left leg back up in the air. Exhale, bring your knee forward, squeeze there. and then lift your back knee off the floor into plank. Keep pressing your arms on the floor. Inhale, send your left leg back up in the air for 3 like downward facing dog. Keep stretching, make your toes pointed. Exhale, step your left leg forward between your hands and then stretch your arms over the head for high lunge. Keep your back heel stacked over on your toes. Now bend your elbows into cactus hand, rotate your arms outward, look up high to the ceiling. Exhale, hands on the floor. Again, take your left leg back for 3 leg downward facing dog. Now release your leg down for the downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs. Now jump through your hands, sit up straight into Dandasana. Now we will do Paschimottanasana, last sitting posture. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head. You can bend your knees to touch your abdomen on your thighs. And then exhale, bend forward, grab your big toes with your both hands. Inhale, open up your chest, keep opening. And then exhale, bend your elbows, look front and keep your spine straight. While exhaling, keep dragging your feet forward. Make sure your abdomen is touched on your thighs. Keep dragging forward with every exhalation. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, halfway look up. Spine is straight. Now grab your all toes with your both hands. Exhale, again bend your elbows. Try to push your elbows down towards the floor so that you can lower your head down as well. Keep stretching your spine. Inhale again, halfway look up, spine is straight. Then after, we will do counter pose of Paschimottanasana. Now stretch your arms over the head, extend your leg. We will do reverse tabletop. Okay? Just take your hands 1 forearm distance from your hips. Press your palms, press your toes on the floor, press your feet on the floor. Now as you inhale, reach your hips high and then lower your head down. Keep pressing, keep squeezing your butts. Exhale, release your hips off the floor and then simply cross your legs and sit up straight on your mat. So now take any mudra again. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and then long exhale out. Inhale and then exhale. Normalize your breath. Now we will chant 1 Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Rub your hands. Now shift the energy over your whole body, on your head, in your arms, in your shoulders, abdomen, thighs, legs. Now one more time, rub your hands together. Now place your palms on your closed eyes, on your face. And then while blinking, open your eyes. And namaste to everyone. Thank you so much.